Year of the fist, everybody. Let's hear you say it. Fist.
Okay, we're back. Take 4. Keep destroying the set, so it's not going well at all. First big unboxing. I've already had a go at it 3 times, so we're not doing too well. Oh, Salivate Metal would say peanuts. Don't taste like peanuts to me, bro. Okay. Look at that, it's vac packed. Actually vacuum sealed. I don't even know if I want to open it now, Phirsters. We'll take a moment to decide. Boom, we're in. Oh, savage attack. There's no recovery. No recovery. Guts all over it. Okay. There it is. Three-coin set. There we go. Anyway, another ridiculously high premium order. Very nice. This is Phirst from the Phirst channel. Reporting to you the latest purchase of Libertads. We'll see you on the next video.
I think we're going to be stuck with it, and it will be the year of the fist. I think a few people will get a fisting in one way or another. So
fisting.